Morning, Mr. Nugraini. We have arranged an interview session of the manager trainee position at FMC KG Company today.
Good morning Kak Iwan dan Kak Retno. I'm glad to see your enthusiasm. How will we meet first?
First, we will meet Putri. Putri, please come in and give us some information about your background and motivation.
Thank you for this opportunity. My name is Putri Riani Endon, a graduate of Paramadina University with a major in psychology. I've gained valuable experience through an internship at a company focusing on psychology, where I was involved in various research projects and interventions to support employees' mental well-being. I am very enthusiastic about developing my career as a manager trainee at VMGKG Company and making a meaningful contribution to human research management and employee development.
Thank you, Putri. What specifically interests you about our company?
I am interested in VMGKG Company reputation for building an inclusive work culture and providing clear career development opportunity for employees.
Putri, what has been one of the biggest challenges you have faced in previous jobs and how did you overcome it?
One of the biggest challenges I faced in various work was when we encountered conflict among employees in the workplace. As an intern in psychology, I understand the importance of managing conflict effectively to maintain harmony and well-being in the workplace. I took the initiative to investigate the root cause of the problem and held mediation sessions to listen to all parties involved. By using an empathic and solution-oriented approach, we successfully reached a satisfactory agreement for all parties and created a more harmonious and productive work environment.
Thank you for the very informative answer. One last question for all of you. How do you see yourself developing in the role of manager trainee at FMCKG Company?
I see myself developing into a leader who has a deep understanding of various operational and strategic aspects of the company, and who can inspire and motivate the team to achieve common goals.
Next, we will meet Tania. Tania, please tell us about your background and skills.
Thank you. My name is Tania Septiani. I am 20 years old and a graduate of SMA Negeri 5 Tambun Selatan. I have been working as production operator at PTM Sonic Indonesia since graduation from high school. I have strong experience in production operation and want to continue to develop in progressive company like FMCKG.
Great Tania. Can you give us an example of project achievement you are proud of?
Certainly, I have successfully improved production efficiency in the production line I handle, resulting in increased output and cost savings for the company.
Tania, how do you handle situation when you have to work in a diverse team with different approaches and work styles?
I believe that diversity in a team is strength. I always strive to build good relationship with all team members, listen carefully and appreciate their opinions and contribution. I'm also active in proposing solutions that can accommodate various perspectives and achieve mutually benefit agreements for all parties.
Thank you for the very informative answers. One last question. For all of you, how do you see yourself developing in the role of the manager trainee at FMCKG Company?
I hope to use my experience and knowledge in production operation to help the company improve efficiency and product quality, and to mentor my colleagues in the team.
Thank you, Tania. Lastly, we will meet Feby. Feby, what interests you in the manager trainee position at our company?
Thank you. My name is Feby. I'm a recent graduate from Paramadina University with a degree in Human Resource Management. I have work experience as an HR assistant at company Densa Indonesia. I am interested in Densa Indonesia because its reputation for providing broad career development opportunities and its progressive approach to HR management.
Phoebe, can you provide an example of situation where I had to make an important decision with limited time and limited information?
Certainly, as an HR assistant, I'm often faced with situations where I have to make quick decisions regarding recruitment or managing conflict among employees. One example is when we were faced with a sudden termination case. Despite limited information, I immediately gathered relevant data, discussed with superior, and weighed various factors before making the right and fair decision for all parties involved.
Alright everyone, is there any last question before we close the interview session?
May I know the salary range you offer for this position?
I expect a salary in line with the general standards applicable in this area.
I expect a salary around 8 million, but I'm also willing to adjust according to the company policy and to discuss further to reach a fair and mutually beneficial agreement for both parties.
Alright, thank you for your answer. We will inform you further about the next step through your respective emails.